You've tried the healthy diet again. Salads, grilled chicken, no fun. And yet, the scale laughs. Your belly stays soft, your energy crashes at 3 p.m., and you accidentally inhale a bag of chips at 10 p.m. Does this feel like your life? Here's the truth. Your diet isn't failing because you're weak. It's failing because your setup is broken. You're fighting your biology. You're fighting your environment. And you're relying on willpower like it's an unlimited credit card. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why failed diets keep happening and the simple rules that make failure way harder, not by eating less, by eating smarter, and making the healthy choice the easiest choice. Let's start with the invisible problem. Most men think fat loss is just food and workouts, but that's not how real life works. Food and exercise matter, but sleep and stress management are the silent architects of your body composition. Because sleep controls hunger, cravings, and stress hormones, and the biggest slice, doing what you said you would do, even when motivation disappears. Because motivation is a spark. It's the beach trip, coming up, or seeing a guy your age look sharp in a t-shirt. It hits hard, then it vanishes. So if your plan needs motivation every day, your plan is doomed. Here's why your diet keeps failing you. It's a chain reaction. You start inspired, then you pick a fuzzy goal and an unrealistic plan without fixing your environment. Then you meet stress, bad sleep, and cravings. Then you start again Monday, boom, another failed diet. So we're gonna break that chain. Mistake 1, you eat healthy, but your meals have no anchor. You start the day with something small, a smoothie, a granola bar. It looks healthy, but your body hears quick sugar, quick hunger, repeat. Because without protein, your appetite becomes a screaming toddler. Protein is your anchor. It holds you steady. Research confirms that protein triggers PYY, a hormone that literally tells your brain, I'm full, preventing overeating for hours. If you skip it, you're not just hungry, you're likely burning muscle instead of fat. Less muscle means a slower engine. That's not fat loss. That's a bad trade. Mistake 2, you turn healthy fats into a calorie ambush. You've been told fats are healthy, olive oil, nuts, avocados, true. But fat is dense. It's like packing an entire movie theater into a carry-on bag. One healthy salad can become a 900-calorie magic trick. A light drizzle becomes a flood. A handful of nuts becomes 3. Your belly fat doesn't get impressed by the word keto. It only reacts to the math. So you keep eating healthy, but you're accidentally eating like you're bulking. Mistake 3, you snack like it's your second job. You don't eat big meals, you graze, a few crackers, a handful of trail mix. It doesn't feel like much, but snacking is like poking the warehouse door all day. Here's the brutal truth. Most snacking isn't hunger. It's your brain demanding entertainment. Boredom, stress, thirst. Your mouth wants entertainment, your stomach didn't file a request, so you stay in a loop. Small hits of tasty food, small hits of hunger later. Then a bigger hit at night. Mistake 4, you bet everything on willpower. This is the one that destroys most diets. You tell yourself, I'll just say no. Then life happens. Bad sleep, work drama. Bills, suddenly that menu looks like a romance novel. Pancakes, syrup, hash browns. The kind of meal that makes your belt whisper, not today, champ. And your brain offers the dangerous lie. I'll start tomorrow. Here's the truth. Willpower isn't a muscle. It's a battery that drains with every decision you make. Sleep charges it, stress drains it. So if your plan requires heroic willpower every day, it's a trap. The real damage, your engine shrinks and visceral fat moves in. Men over 40 don't just want a smaller waist, they want their edge back. And this is where visceral fat matters. This isn't the pinchable stuff, it's the toxic fat wrapping your organs that loves high stress and low muscle. When you diet with low protein and sleep badly, stress hormones rise. Combine that with naturally lowering testosterone, and fat loss feels like pushing a truck uphill in the rain. Your body stops burning and starts protecting. Good. Now, we fix it? The solutions. 3 rules that make diets stop failing. Rule 1. Build every meal around protein first, not last. First, protein stabilizes hunger and protects muscle. Aim for a solid portion. Eggs, Greek yogurt, chicken, lean beef. Example swap. Instead of cereal, do 3 eggs plus berries. You don't need perfection. You need an anchor. Rule 2. Add fiber and volume, then keep fats measured. Fiber is your brake pedal for cravings. Volume is your safety net. Vegetables, fruit, beans, then fats. But measured. Don't free pour the dressing. Use a spoon. Add crunchy veggies. Add a small amount of nuts, not a trail mix avalanche. Rule 3. Stop grazing. Eat meals. If you snack all day, your insulin never drops and your fat burning never starts, try 3 meals. Or 3 meals plus 1 planned snack. Planned, not random. If you want a snack, pick something boring but useful. If your snack feels like a party, your belly fat shows up uninvited. Bonus rule, make junk food inconvenient. You don't rise to your motivation, you fall to your environment. Keep high-calorie trigger foods out of sight. Prep the good stuff, wash fruit, cook protein. Mornings are for autopilot, so make the right choice, the only choice, the habit lock, how to make it almost impossible to fail. You win by repetition. Automate your breakfast and lunch for 2 weeks until the choice stops feeling emotional, and when it feels normal, you don't need motivation. That's the secret. Not discipline, design. Now, quick reality check on progress. Your body doesn't always show results fast. Use progress photos and weigh-ins to spot the trend, not to judge your daily worth. Daily weight bounces with water and salt. Watch the trend. A deficit drives fat loss, but your rules make the deficit sustainable, without misery. So here's why your diet keeps failing you. It's not because you're broken, it's because you're using a willpower-based plan in a stress-filled world. The fix is simple. Protein first, fiber and volume next. Fats measured. Meals, not grazing, and make junk food inconvenient. This isn't about starving, it's about structure. Do that, and your body stops fighting, your hunger calms down, and energy returns. If this helped, hit like so more guys who feel stuck can find it. And if you want the next step, watch the next video, because this is where we turn failed diets into a system you can actually live with